Hey guys, David Patrick Green, davidpatrickgreen.com. I just wanted to give you guys a brief apology because, as you know, this video is about how to easily peel hard-boiled eggs that have been in the fridge for a while, like 2, 3, 4 days, because they're incredibly hard to peel, right? But I didn't do the actual demonstration of the peeling because I didn't realize the technique would work. It's the first time I've tried it, but then when I tried it and it was so easy, then I realized I had to do a little talk about it. So the following video does not contain a demonstration, but it's very simple, and you will soon see. We'll talk to you soon. Just a little household trick. As you can see, I am filming a couple of hard-boiled eggs, but what you don't know about these eggs is that they were actually sitting in the fridge for like 3 or 4 days. And I don't know if you've ever tried peeling hard-boiled eggs after they've been sitting in the fridge, but they're really hard to peel. In fact, the pair of eggs that I took out before this basically looked like they had been chewed on by a squirrel, because the egg tends to stick to the shell for a variety of reasons, but the primary reason that I figured out is that when you put them in the fridge, it dehydrates them because it's really, really dry inside your fridge. So it just takes all the moisture out and everything just isn't sort of lubricated, so to speak, and it just sticks together. And so here's my trick, and it's the best trick I think that exists on the planet, way better than all the ones that I have seen online, which is add vinegar or add baking soda to the water when it's boiling, or afterwards you can reboil them for a minute or two, and so on and so forth. All you got to do is take the egg and soak it in water. I think I did this for maybe 45 minutes. You could probably do it for less. You don't want to do it for too long because then they get kind of pasty and chalky. But I just soak it in water for, like I said, about half an hour, and this is how they peeled off. Oh, and by the way, before you peel, you can maybe tap the ends, break the ends, and then roll them around a little bit to loosen the, so it's cracked all over the place, and then just peel off, start at one of the ends, especially, the one with the air pocket in it, and they peeled off nice and easy. So you got 2 pieces right there, and this one came off in almost 1 piece, and as you can see, these eggs are perfecto. Slippery. Hey guys, that's it. Hope this was helpful. Go eat some eggs from your egg marketing board. Because I didn't actually show you the demonstration of how to actually peel the egg, I'm just going to show you what it might look like with one of the peeled eggs. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so if you basically take your egg out of the water, assuming it's still got a shell on it, okay? All right, so what I would do is that I would just tap so it breaks the shell on this end, and then tap so it breaks the shell on that end, and then you just roll it around so it cracks the shell all around, and then you see where the egg is flat here, that's where the air pocket would be. You break that end open and start peeling from here, and as you can see, you can pretty much get a 1-piece shell or a 2-piece shell, no problemo. So just wanted to clarify so you guys know what I mean when I say tapping and rolling, okay? But with the shell on, guys, not with the shell off. Now I have to wash this egg. Ugh, gotta wash it.